Gen Orion is a part of Space Station Automation Private Limited with the goal of enhancing security and comfort. Our aim is to tackle the current problems of security, comfort, and accessibility to the place where we live or work. It could be any place, private or public, houses, offices, restaurants, warehouses, etc. The security is a major concern. The continuous security of the place where we live or work is a task. Even if we find ways to add security to the places, then comes another issue, that is the affordability of the available gadgets or devices. Now another major problem is the remote access to the home office spaces, for which it is important to install some device that can provide continuous updates and can be accessed remotely. The systems available are quite complex to install and operate, as they require rewiring or renovation of the place. We are launching a series of devices, Gen M and Gen S. Our product provides smart switching and control of home office automation. The product can be installed in any residential or commercial space where a switching system is available, making it one standalone device for every individual. Can be controlled via Gen Orion's application or website, making the system highly secure. The product will provide continuous notification via the application, call, or messages for continuous updates. We have come up with the solution to all the problems we have discussed earlier with Gen Orion. Our product will provide continuous updates with calls, SMS, and app-based notification. We made it really affordable with up to 5 to 8K INR per room and 25 to 30K INR for 2 BHK. Another great feature is the remotely accessing ability of the device, making it virtually controllable from anywhere in the world. There are no extra efforts or hidden charges, making it a device of choice for anyone to convert their home office into a new smart place. The competitive advantages we are having over other available products are: Gen M and Gen S is capable of controlling 12 devices at a time, continuous notification, support with SMS, call, or app-based notification. Affordability is one of the USP to convert your room or home or any place having a switching system into a smart place within the budget. Savings of both electricity bills and money to be spent on the automation, a device which will recover its cost within a couple of years. That is not it. We will even provide continuous support with all the future IoT devices compatibility. And you don't have to worry about the internet stability. Our product is capable of working without the internet as well. There will be no extra efforts or hidden charges from the customer side. The device supports Wi-Fi connectivity to connect the device on the same network where your phone is connected. Last but not the least, the device will also provide free on-air updates for lifetime. The market size of the automation is huge and is growing at a linear scale every year. The global home automation market was only at $38.2 billion approx in 2015, $62 billion approx currently in 2020, and is expected to grow up to $114 billion till 2025, where the Indian home automation market is expected to reach from $1,800 million in 2018 to $14,000 million by 2026. According to these stats, the Indian market is growing at a rate of 29.8% during the forecast period of 2019 to 2026. For market validation, of our startup, we have come up with the data of existing startups working in the same field. Cubicle Laboratories, a startup based in Delhi, is having a market of approximately $11 million, and another Noida based startup, Octar, has a valuation of approximately $6 million currently. There are a few direct competitors of Gen Orion. First is Delhi-based Cubicle Labs, providing automation in between 50 to 75K for 2 BHK. Second is Noida-based Octa, providing a variety of automation products ranging from 700 INR to 7 to 8K INR per product, require different products for different purposes. And Innoho, a Bangalore-based startup providing kits, starter kit 8999 INR and additional kit 4499 INR. On the other hand, Gen Orion provides automation for 5 to 8K per room, 25 to 30K for 2 BHK with no hidden charges. where a single product can fulfill all the automation requirements and it is not restricted to just home. The product can be installed at any place where switching system is available. To achieve this, we are going to adapt a franchise-based business model. The blueprint of the model explains it well. We will sell our products from our franchises and different online portals, say websites or e-commerce sites. We have a team of professionals superior in all the fields where everyone is having the abilities of mechatronics engineers and managing multiple roles. To vouch for N, we have over 3 founders and a team of genuine to give their best. If you like the concept, please contact us or see us in person for further rounds. We are ready to connect as per your suitable time. For telephonic chat, you can directly contact us at 9911757588 and email at business@genuine.com for further discussion. Sincerely thank you for taking out your valuable time for us.